Do you have a kid that says paschetti instead of spaghetti, or na-na-na-na instead of banana? Well, they are struggling with the phonological process of vowelization. This is Neurodiversopedia, and we're going to get into it. Vowelization is when kids are replacing consonant sounds with vowel sounds. So instead of butterfly, they might be saying bubba-fly. It is normal in children, but eventually it can be concerning if it sticks around for too long. Then you might want to see a speech professional. Children with developmental delays or even hearing issues can develop some of these problems. With the proper intervention from a speech pathologist, they'll be able to work on pronunciation of certain things and understanding how words are connected to each other, thus making their communication way better. If you are concerned about it, talk to a doctor, talk to a speech therapist. They are the ones who are going to be able to help you figure out this problem.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.